Ruby is a dynamic, high-level programming language known for its elegant and readable syntax. It was created with a focus on developer productivity and ease of use. Ruby is used for a wide range of applications, including web development, scripting, and automation. It emphasizes object-oriented programming and offers a rich ecosystem of libraries and gems. Ruby's simplicity and expressiveness have made it popular among developers for building web applications and other software projects. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a domain-specific language used for managing and manipulating relational databases. It allows users to define, retrieve, update, and manage data stored in a structured format. SQL is widely used in database management systems such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL Server. It's essential for tasks like creating and modifying database schemas, querying data, and performing complex data operations. SQL is a fundamental tool for anyone working with data and databases, making it a critical skill in data-driven industries and web development. Subscribe to be the first to see upcoming videos.